Teachers are well-trained people. They are masters, but their scope is normally to impart or to teach a particular concept or a subject which is coming under a particular syllabus. The syllabus will be subset of a superset called curriculum. So, the curriculum is the superset and the syllabus is subset. Teachers normally stick into the boundaries of the syllabus, and within a given time, they will explain by adding their knowledge, imagination, and life experience and give lots of value addition in that knowledge and make sure the learner achieved the intended learning outcome or ILO of the syllabus.